In our previous videos about getting your house ready to sell, we talked about curb appeal and the 3 Ds: decluttering, depersonalizing, and deep cleaning. Now I want to talk about routine maintenance and minor repairs. There are some questions buyers almost always ask about the property. They want to know, when's the last time the furnace, boiler, or central air was serviced? If the house has a fireplace, when's the last time the chimney was cleaned? When's the last time the dryer vents were cleaned? If you have forced air heat or central air, when's the last time the ducts were clean? If you have a septic system, has it been serviced regularly as needed? And has your property been under contract with a pest control company? If the answers to any of these questions would discourage a buyer, these are things you really should consider taking care of now. And you also want to look at minor repairs, obvious cosmetic items that the buyer is going to notice, but you could easily take care of. Things like leaky faucets, chipped enamel sinks. Are there any walls or rooms that need to be painted, either because the color is very dated or because the walls are dinged up? These are things that are little items, but they're going to bring the house down in the eyes of the buyer, and also maybe make them wonder whether there are more serious issues that haven't been dealt with that they haven't seen. So if you're thinking about selling in Central Jersey, we'd be happy to talk to you about what you need to do to get your house ready to sell. So please visit us at www.joannandbob.com and contact us today. Thank you.